Okay, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Nirmana. Okay.
Maybe after 1 month like this.
Okay. This is chemical cleaning now. The AC is here. How to connect into the self-contained. This is self-contained. It's nice. It's nice. This is self-contained. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And hi. And this is the other one. Self-contained. So, ayan, alam. Oh, this self-contained. So let's go down. Let me check the what you call this one. This is the sikak. Sikak again. Did you open already the one sikak? Huh?
Too much tight one.
Ah.
Much tight.
But check brother if this one no have leakage no. So they put before this one Teflon because some leakage there.
But
So
now
after the
water flow is
Water
okay.
flow is okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Season Marine is good services. See www.seasonmarine.com. Let's go into the salon. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Webster Garcia. Now start chemical cleaning. Until now, still not finished. This is the spare AC. If there is problem by another one AC unit, I can use this one. So it's not come hot inside the salon. This is the salon. Look at the salon now, and still now the door is fixing. This new one, that glass, they install now. Oh my god, too much job today. Also for my generator, but it's done now to change the heat exchanger.